In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications on Movie Plus app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, if you're receiving a lot of annoying notifications, then it is pretty much simple to stop them. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app information page, and I'll do this by going to settings. So if I go to settings here and then tap on it, go ahead and scroll down until you see this option called apps. If you tap on it, this will go ahead and give you an option to find all your app. And for my case, I'll tap on manage apps. It might be under all apps or more apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now for this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone, and this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now scroll down until you see your app. And as you can see, my app is here. So I'll proceed and tap on it. And as you can see, I'm on the app information page. Now, if getting to this page is quite hard for you or it is a long process, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. Now, in the shortcut method, just go to your app and then long press on it like this. And then you'll see this option called app info. So if you go ahead and tap on app info, it will go ahead and open the app information page. So from here, scroll down until you get to notification section. And as you can see, it is currently turned to yes. To turn it off, just go ahead and tap on it. And you can see we have a lot of notifications that are turned on. So instead of tapping on each to turn off, just go ahead and look for these show notifications and then toggle it off. From here henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications because you'll have turned them off permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.